Hello students, welcome to Vinay Achalia's Basic Maths Class 4. Today we will see the application of LCM in simplifying the rational number additions, right? But before that, we will see some rules of divisibility that is crucial for any calculations, for speed calculations. You all know the rules of divisibility, but if you don't know, please write it down from the screen. Now, very first rule, that is for 2. हाउ कैन वी चेक दैट अ नंबर इज डिविजिबल बाय 2? हम कैसे चेक करेंगे कि नंबर 2 से डिविजिबल है या नहीं है? इफ द यूनिट प्लेस ऑफ द डिजिट, आखिरी नंबर अगर कोई डिजिट का 0, 2, 4, 6 और 8 है या इवन नंबर है, देन वी से दैट द नंबर इज डिविजिबल बाय 2. द एग्जांपल्स आर गिवन 752, 300, 678. See, the numbers are ending with 2, 8 and 0. That's why the numbers are directly divisible by 2. Then the next test is for 3. What is the test for 3? If the digit sum of a number is divisible by 3, then the number is divisible by 3. डिजिट का सम अगर 3 से डिविजिबल है तो पूरा नंबर 3 से डायरेक्टली आप कैंसिल कर सकते हैं. तो यही चेक करने के लिए सारी टेस्ट होती है. फॉर एग्जांपल, नंबर हमारे पास जो है वो है 5673. तो हम ओरली कैसे डिसाइड करेंगे कि नंबर 3 से डिविजिबल है या नहीं है? विल जस्ट फाइंड द डिजिट सम. तो व्हाट इज द डिजिट सम? 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 3, which is 21, and 21 is divisible by 3. Therefore, the number is divisible by 3. Next test is 4. This is important test. The test says that if the last two digits of a number is 0 or divisible by 4, then the number is divisible by 4. For example, 7624. The last two digits are divisible by 4. Therefore, the number is divisible by 4. And you know the test for 5. If the number ends with 0 or 5, then the number is divisible by 5. 6. If any number is divisible by or follow the rule of 2 and 3, or if any number is divisible by 2 and 3 both, then we can cancel the number directly by 6. Since 8862 ends with even number and also digit sum is 24, which is divisible by 3, so we can directly cancel this number by 6. Now the important test is of 7. The test says that after the n digit should be multiplied by 2, and then it should be subtracted from the remaining digits. Like 2 into 5, then it is subtracted from 38, it is 28, and 28 is divisible by 7. Therefore 385 is divisible by 7. अब मान लो यहाँ पे 27 आता था 28 की जगह पे, तो फिर ये नंबर 7 से डिविजिबल नहीं होता था, right? And the next, the very important test is of 8. If the last 3 digits of a number is 0 or divisible by 8, then we conclude that the number is divisible by 8. अगर आखिरी के 3 डिजिट 0 है या फिर तीनों नंबर का जो है वो तीनों नंबर जो 8 से डिविजिबल है, तो पूरा नंबर डायरेक्टली आप 8 से कैंसिल कर सकते हैं. अगेन इंपॉर्टेंट टेस्ट by 9. It is similar to 3. If the digit sum of a number is divisible by 9, then the number is directly divisible by 9. So these are all important tests. You may search for the test for 11, 17 and 19. They are also important tests. One more test is there, 25. You may write down the test. If the last two digits of a number is 0 or divisible by 25, then the number is directly divisible by 25. For example, suppose we say that 800575575. See, last two digits are divisible by 25. Therefore, the whole number directly divisible by 25. हमको 5 से repeatedly cancel नहीं करना पड़ता है, वो directly 5 से divisible होता है. I hope so you got the concept of test of divisibility. Now we will solve this problem, that is 2 by 3 plus 5 by 12 plus 7 by 6. So first we take the LCM. Now see, 3 and 6 both are divisible by 12. So we will cancel 3 and 6. So LCM will be 12. So we will make the denominator 12. We will make all the denominator 12. अब 3 को हमको 12 का करना है, तो हमको किससे मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा? 3 को 4 से. तो वो 4 को एडजस्ट करने के लिए हमको 4 को न्यूमरेटर में भी मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा. तो 2 into 4 अपॉन 3 into 4, राइट? यहाँ ऑलरेडी 12 है, तो 5 into 1 upon 12 into 1. और यहाँ पे आपको नीचे 12 चाहिए, तो 6 should be multiplied by 2, and to adjust that 2 we have to multiply numerator by 2 also. So 7 into 2 upon 6 into 2, right? So what we get is 8 upon 12, right? We get is 8 upon 12 plus 5 upon 12 plus 14 upon 12, right? Now denominators are same. Now we will do the simple additions. 12, and we get 8 plus 5 plus 14. And what is the total? 8 plus 5 is 13, and 13 plus 14 is yes, 27 by 12. This can be minimized because both are divisible by 3. So we will divide both by 3. So we get 3 9s are 3 4s are. We can represent 9 by 4 in a mixed fraction. So we will divide 9 by 4. We get 4 2s are 8. Remainder is 1. So we may write 2 integer 1 by 4. First write the quotient, remainder, yeah, 2 integer 1 by 4, and then divisor. So 2 integer 1 by 4 is the answer. In the similar way, we will do the calculation for the second example. 7 by 18 plus 5 by 27 plus 6 by 12. So first we find the LCM of 18, 27 and 12. So first we will just find here the LCM of 18, 27 and 12. So all the numbers will start with 2. 2 9s are 27 and it is 2 6s are. Then we will continue with 2. 2 9s are 27 as it is 2 3s are. अब यहाँ पे एक भी नंबर 2 से डिविजिबल नहीं है, फिर हम 3 से लेंगे इसको. 3 3s are 3 9s are 3 1s are. Again we continue with 3 1s are 3 3s are 3 1s are with 3 1 1 1. We will multiply these numbers. So what we get? 3 cube into 4. 3 cube into 4 means 27 into 4, and 27 into 4 is 108. So 108 is the LCM. So our LCM is 108. Now we need to 108 in denominator in all the cases. So for this you should know the tables very well, or rough idea. If ending with 8, then 8 6 are 48 is there, 7 4 are 28 is there, right? Then 12 9s are is there. So we should know the logically how we get the end digit 8. So we will multiply numerator and denominator by 6, so that we get in denominator 108. Here also 27 4s are, so we have to multiply and divide by 4. Here 12 9s are, right? So we will get 6 into 9 upon 12 into 9. So what numbers we are going to get? 42 upon 108, right? Plus 20 upon 108 plus 54 upon 108. After adding, you get 118 upon, right? You get 118 upon 108. That you may write it is also mixed fraction also, or you may leave it as it is. Okay. So that's all for now. This was simple methods of calculating the fractions. In next video, we will see some more basic mathematics techniques. That's all for now. Meet you soon. Bye.